Hi guys, welcome to my ISO builder. Topic of the video is a tip I gave to somebody on Telegram. We have a new alias called RAM, right? RAM. And when you launch this, we get all these new ArcoLinux, the best ArcoLinux server in your neighborhood. And didn't have them. How can I get the last aliases on my system? We have made an alias for that, of course. So Ctrl-Alt-T. When you're on bash, right? This is my shell, ZSH. When you're on ZSH, you type CZ. CZ says to the system, copy the file in etc scal zshrc to your home directory. So copy Z or CZ, and then you have your latest aliases on your system. The same applies if you are on bash, right? We can easily switch on ArcoLinux to bash. Is another alias. So we've switched to the bash system or to ZSH, and we've switched to ZSH. Easy to go about it and then log out, log in, and you're on bash. So the same applies with the CB, and that's gonna work if you're on bash. And that's the tip of the day, right? If aliases are missing, then you type CB or CZ depending on what shell you are. That's your shell here, and that's the shell here. It depends on what you choose of a nice logo or interface or whatever you call this information that's available. All right, cheers.